Join me as I try to uncover the secret magic behind this amazing orange apple honey tea recipe and see if I can make it taste even better. Did you know that combining orange, apple, and honey not only creates a delicious tea, but also packs a powerful health punch? Today, we're diving into the magic of an orange apple honey tea recipe that's perfect for any time of the year. Whether you need a warm hug in winter or a refreshing boost in summer, this tea has you covered. Many people struggle to find healthy and tasty beverage options that also boost their immune system. Store-bought drinks can be loaded with sugar and preservatives. But what if you could make a natural, delicious tea at home? That's where this tea comes in. It's easy, healthy, and filled with incredible benefits. Let's break down what makes this tea so special. First up, oranges. Packed with vitamin C, they help strengthen your immune system and keep your skin glowing. Apples are rich in antioxidants, which help fight inflammation and improve heart health. Plus, they add a natural sweetness. And let's not forget honey. It's soothing, antibacterial, and perfect for calming a sore throat. Plus, it enhances the flavor beautifully. Now, let's go through the simple steps to make this tea. Boil water, add orange and apple slices. Let it simmer, strain, and finish with a spoonful of honey. And just like that, you have a warm, comforting drink packed with natural goodness. We've learned how to create a delicious orange apple honey tea and discovered its health benefits along the way. Simple ingredients, incredible taste. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check out my other video, What Happens When You Drink? Oolong tea every day, for more healthy drink ideas. And let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more.